So in this session, we are going to learn how to give a voucher numbering for invoices. So if you want to give your short form of your company name to be printed in your invoices with a financial year like prefix and suffix, this can be done in Tally Prime. So we'll use a default voucher number if you want, or you can go with a user defined voucher number as per the requirement. So let's see how to configure it in Tally Prime. So for example, I want my voucher number as CBS/001/2021. So if this should be my sales invoice number, then how do I configure it? So let's look into a Tally Prime. So we have already created a company name called Creative Business Solutions. So this is my company. So if you take a short form of this company name, it is CBS. Creative is from C, B is from business, and C is from solution, CBS. If the same thing has to be printed in my invoice. So let's see. Let's go to our voucher, sales voucher. So here we have a voucher number, a sales number as 1. It is just showing as 1. I don't want to print 1. I want to print it as CBS/001/2021. So how do I configure this and where I need to configure? Let's take a look. So we come back to Gateway of Tally. So we'll go to Alter and voucher type Sales. So in this sales voucher, we are going to alter a voucher numbering also. So we go to sales. So here we have an option called method of voucher numbering. So we have some 5 methods here: automatic, automatic manual override, manual, multi-user auto, and none. So we go with all these features, what it is exactly. So if I go with automatic, Tally will pick a next voucher number automatically. For example, my first transaction is voucher number 1. Once I save the transaction, so the next voucher number, Tally will take it as 2 by default. Automatically it changes the voucher number and it picks a next number as a voucher number. And if I go with automatic manual override, so Tally will take a next voucher number, as I said in a automatic voucher numbering, but in automatic manual override, it will allow us to edit a voucher number while passing a transaction itself. So if I go with automatic, Tally picks a voucher number and it will not allow us to edit. So if I go with automatic manual override, Tally will take a next voucher number, but it will allow us to edit a voucher number while passing a transaction itself. So next we have manual. So manual in the sense, Tally will not take any voucher number automatically. It will be blank and it will allow you to enter voucher number whatever you want. So for each and every transaction, you have to keep on entering a voucher number. So in this cases, what happens, either you jump some voucher number or you may repeat a same voucher number for some transactions. So if you are using automatic manual override or a manual, so you can check the configurations here or option. So if you are going with automatic, we have use advanced configuration option. But if you go with automatic manual override, the option has got changed to prevent duplicate. We have one more new option called prevent duplicate. So if you go with manual, so we are getting only prevent duplicate option. So if you are using automatic manual override or a manual thing, so you have to enable prevent duplicate as yes, so that if you are giving a same voucher number which is already passed, which is already used in a different voucher, then Tally will give a pop-up screen that this voucher number has been already used, give a different voucher number. So unless until you give a different voucher number, Tally will not allow you to pass a transaction if the option is yes. If it is no, then you can pass n number of transactions by using a single voucher number. Tally will just accept the screen and it will ignore your voucher number. So this should not be a case in accounting. So we need to give a different voucher numbers for different invoices. So if you are using automatic manual override or a manual, make sure that you are enabling a prevent duplicate as yes. So next we have multi-user auto. So this will be used in a multi-user systems where you have n number of accountants in a company and they operate a sales voucher simultaneously at a time. So in that case, to avoid a mismatch or a clash between the voucher numbers, we use multi-user auto and we configure the same. So there's one more option called none. So if you go with none, Tally will not give you any voucher numbers by default, and also it won't allow you to enter any voucher number. So it will be blank. So in this scenario, we go with automatic to configure CBS/001/2021. So even you can use automatic manual override and even manual. So if you go with automatic manual override, so it will take a next number and it will allow you to edit. So if you go with manual, every time you need to keep CBS/002/2021. Again, if it is a new voucher number, then again you have to start from CBS/003/2021, goes on. So every time you need to enter it. So instead of that, you can automize it. So we go with automatic itself, and we have an option called use advanced configuration. So we enable this option as use advanced configuration as yes. So by using all these options, we can give a voucher number. So if you see, we'll just split my voucher number. So CBS is a company name, 001 is a voucher name or a voucher number, and 2021 is a financial year. So my voucher number is just 001. So my starting number should be 1, and a width of numerical part of a voucher number, it is 001, right? So then it is 3 digits, and my voucher number is starting from 0. So this option should be yes. So in the sense, my voucher number part has got configured, 001 has got configured here. So the restarting number we have applicable from as 1st April. Starting number should be 1, and this voucher number will be given daily basis, monthly, never, weekly, and even yearly. So if I go with daily, what happens? If you pass some 25 transactions in a day, and if you come next day, again a tally will begins from 1 itself. It won't take our invoice number as 26. It takes invoice number as 1 for the next day. If you go with daily. So if it is monthly, same scenario. So every month the invoice number starts from 1. So if I go with never, it never starts from 1. Even your financial year completes, so it will never start from 1. Weekly, a same scenario. Every week from Monday, our invoice starts from 1. So we go with yearly, so that for the entire year we use a one sequence from 1 to n number of invoices. So for the next financial year, it starts from 1 again. So we go with yearly year. So next we go with a prefix. So we give a same date as 1/4. So my invoice number should be CBS 001/2021. So if 001 is my invoice number, then before to the invoice is CBS, it is called as prefix. Prefix is called as before the voucher number. So before the voucher number we have CBS slash. Even the slash has to be entered here. So next we go with 1st April in the field of suffix. So after the invoice number we have slash 2021. So this is my invoice configuration. So my invoice number should start from 1. It is a 3-digit number. It should start from 0, which means 001. So this is my invoice number. Prefix to that, before to the invoice number we have CBS slash, which is called as prefix, and after the invoice number we have a suffix called slash 2021. This is how we create a voucher number. So we'll accept the screen. So we'll accept even your sales voucher type. So once you accept it, you can go back to your vouchers and you can see I'm getting a voucher number as CBS slash 001 slash 2021. So this is how you can give your user defined voucher numbers automatically. So we'll pass one transaction. So whether it is taking a next voucher number. So once I pass a entry, I go with the voucher mode and I'll accept it. So my invoice number is 1 and I'm accepting a invoice now. So once I accept the invoice, automatically my invoice number has been changed to 002. My CBS slash and slash 2021, which means a prefix and suffix will be constant. Only my invoice number will be keep on changing whenever you pass a sales transaction. This voucher configuration or voucher type numbering configuration can be done for any voucher type as per your requirement. So I think we have understood how to give a voucher numbers in Tally Prime as per the requirement. Thank you.